ingredients. We will need some butter, some brown sugar, some golden syrup, some porridge oats, some chocolate and a tin. First we will need to preheat our oven to 180 degrees. Then we will need to put a template of grease-proof paper inside the tin. Mine's already been done. Then we'll need to turn the heat on low on our pan. And add in our butter. We need to wait for it to melt now. It's all about melted now, so it's time to add in our golden syrup. So mixed in, and it's time to add in our brown sugar. We need to mix this until it's all smooth and the sugar dissolves. It's all mixed in and the sugar's all dissolved now. So it's time to add in our oats bit by bit. At this point we'll need to turn off the heat. We will need to scrape this into a pan, into a tin. It's all out the pan now, and I need to spread it all out. It's all spread out now and it looks like this. It's time to put it in the oven. It'll need about 30 minutes to cook. Okay, so the flapjacks come out of the oven and it's just cooling now. But while it's cooling, we're going to be melting some chocolate. I'm melting it in a glass bowl on top of a pan filled with boiling water. First you'll need to dip in our chocolate. And it's all smooth with no lumps like mine nearly is. It's melted and ready to go on top of the flapjack. Now I need to turn off the heat as it's melted and pour it on top of the flapjack. Now we need to let it finish off setting and cooling down. Okay, so the flapjacks all set, and here is your lockdown bake. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and see you next time.